Hi guys, welcome to my channel. User Hope. On my channel, I teach people how to do things online with their mobile phone. On this video, I'll be showing you guys how to turn your phone number into an account number with moniepoint microfinance bank. So the first thing you have to do is or if you have a moniepoint existing account, you need to go to Play Store first. You have to go to Play Store. If your moniepoint app is not upgraded, you have to go and upgrade it. So based on mine is upgraded, so I'll just have to open it, but let me go using the app itself. So it appears like this. The app, you can change it either to dark mode or to normal white mode as you want it. So this plays the right more here at this right hand side down. You press it, you go down to settings, you come down, you see this place the right phone number account. You press on it. All the accounts you have with moniepoint are going to appear using the phone number you use in creating them. This is it here. If anyone you want the account number should be responding as the phone number, you just have to on it yourself, like this one. If you want it, you are going to on it, then you are going to enable. Once you enable, it has been enabled. Any money you want somebody to send to you, and you just give them your phone number, it has been activated. God bless. If you see this information useful, don't forget to subscribe.
Have I not been telling you this since I finished my secondary school?
Give us a thumbs up. And in time of the dark mode, this the light mode, and this is the dark mode. God bless. Don't forget to subscribe.